In the heart of every bustling urban landscape, there exists a haven for those seeking refuge from the cacophony of the outside world. A sanctuary where the aromatic symphony of freshly ground coffee beans interweaves with the gentle hum of conversations, creating an ambience that transcends mere caffeination. This haven is the domain of the barista, a skilled artisan who transforms the mundane act of brewing coffee into a ritualistic experience, where every cup is a canvas and every pour is a stroke of artistry. The term barista finds its origins in Italy, where it originally referred to a bartender. Over time, however, it has evolved to encapsulate a distinct and revered role, one who specializes in the craft of coffee preparation. The barista, armed with an arsenal of brewing techniques and a profound understanding of the nuanced flavors inherent in coffee beans, stands as the gatekeeper to a world where coffee is not just a beverage, but a cultural phenomenon. In the early morning hours, as the first rays of sunlight pierce through the cityscape, the doors of coffee establishments swing open, inviting in a stream of patrons eager to kickstart their day with the comforting embrace of a well-crafted cup of coffee. The barista, often the first to arrive and the last to leave, is entrusted with the responsibility of turning this daily ritual into an artful experience. The foundation of a barista's craft lies in the selection of coffee beans. With an almost scholarly knowledge of the various coffee-growing regions, bean varieties, and roasting methods, the barista navigates through a spectrum of flavors, seeking the perfect balance that will dance on the taste buds of the discerning coffee connoisseur. Whether it's the earthy notes of beans from South America or the fruity undertones of an Ethiopian yirgacheffe, the barista's discerning palate is the compass guiding this journey of sensory exploration. Equally crucial is the mastery of brewing techniques, each method yielding a distinct character to the final cup. From the precision of pour-over methods that extract the subtle nuances of single-origin beans to the boldness of espresso shots that embody the essence of a blend, the barista navigates these techniques with finesse, manipulating variables such as grind size, water temperature, and extraction time to orchestrate a symphony of flavors in each cup. However, the art of being a barista extends beyond technical proficiency. It is an alchemical blend of skill and interpersonal finesse. As the barista takes the orders of a diverse clientele, ranging from the hurried professional seeking a quick caffeine fix to the leisurely couple on a weekend coffee date, the ability to read not just coffee beans but human nature becomes paramount. A warm smile, a friendly greeting, or even a knowing nod can transform a routine transaction into a memorable interaction, creating a sense of community within the walls of the coffee haven. The barista, akin to a culinary artist, often finds expression in latte art, a practice that transforms a simple cup of coffee into a canvas for creativity. With steamed milk as their medium, baristas create intricate designs, from delicate ferns to whimsical hearts, atop the velvety surface of cappuccinos and lattes. Each design is a testament to the barista's attention to detail and commitment to elevating the coffee drinking experience beyond mere sustenance. In the contemporary coffee culture, the role of the barista extends beyond the confines of the cafe. Barista competitions, where skilled practitioners showcase their talents before a discerning panel of judges, have become platforms for innovation and excellence. These competitions push the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of coffee craftsmanship, with baristas incorporating cutting-edge techniques and experimental approaches to leave an indelible mark on the evolving landscape of coffee culture. The advent of specialty coffee, marked by an emphasis on the unique qualities of individual coffee beans, has further elevated the status of the barista. Coffee enthusiasts now seek not just a caffeine boost, but an immersive experience, and the barista, armed with knowledge and passion, becomes the steward of this experience. The barista's recommendations on bean varieties, brewing methods, and flavor profiles are sought after, transforming the act of ordering coffee into a collaborative journey of exploration. Amidst the whirring sounds of grinders, the hiss of steam wands, and the comforting aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the barista becomes a silent storyteller, Each cup served is a chapter in a narrative that unfolds daily, with patrons becoming characters in a tale of shared moments and fleeting conversations. The barista, a custodian of this narrative, weaves together the threads of these interactions, creating a tapestry of memories that linger long after the last sip is taken. The challenges faced by a barista are not limited to the technical aspects of coffee preparation. They extend to the realm of adaptability and resilience. The fast-paced nature of the coffee industry demands a level of multitasking and quick thinking that can only be honed through experience. A seasoned barista navigates the rush hours with a calm demeanor, simultaneously managing the grinder, espresso machine, and milk frother, all while engaging in friendly banter with customers. Moreover, the barista must be attuned to the ever-evolving trends in the coffee world. From the rise of cold brews and nitro coffees to the resurgence of traditional brewing methods, staying abreast of the latest developments is essential. The barista, often acting as a tastemaker, introduces patrons to new flavors and techniques, fostering a sense of curiosity that keeps the coffee culture vibrant and dynamic. The cafe, with its eclectic blend of patrons and the aromatic allure of coffee, serves as a microcosm of society. Within its walls, the barista becomes a cultural curator, shaping the atmosphere and influencing the collective mood. The choice of music, the aesthetic of the space, and even the design of the menu, all these elements are carefully curated by the barista to create an environment that transcends the boundaries of a mere beverage dispensary. As the day unfolds, the role of the barista undergoes subtle shifts. In the morning, they are the architects of a fresh start, crafting the elixir that propels individuals into the day ahead. As the day progresses, the barista transforms into a confidant, a friendly face that listens to the stories of triumphs and tribulations shared over a cup of coffee. In the late afternoon, they become curators of tranquility, offering a respite for those seeking a moment of solace amidst the chaos of urban life. The symbiotic relationship between the barista and the coffee bean is a testament to the profound impact of this ancient beverage on human civilization. From its origins in the Ethiopian highlands to its global ubiquity today, coffee has been a constant companion in the journey of human progress. The barista, in their role as a guardian of this tradition, bridges the gap between the rich history of coffee and its contemporary significance. In conclusion, the title barista encapsulates more than a job description. It signifies a dedication to the art and science of coffee. The barista, with their expertise, creativity, and unwavering commitment, transforms a simple act into a sensory experience. In the bustling symphony of urban life, the barista stands as a maestro, orchestrating the daily ritual of coffee consumption with finesse, creating moments of connection, and leaving an indelible mark on the tapestry of human experience.